In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a background image into Excel. In order to do that, we go up to the Format command on the menu bar, click once, go down to Sheet, and then over to Background. I'm going to click on Background, and this brings up a box that will show us where to find pictures. My folder was automatically set to Look in Pictures. If you can't find one immediately on your desktop, simply go to the Look In box and scroll down to find the folder with pictures in it. The pictures I'm using are copyright free, and they were downloaded from an internet site that provides those. And I'm going to scroll down, and I think I'll use the polar bear picture. We click on Insert, and now we have the polar bear picture. You'll notice that it repeats across the screen, and this is okay. That's what Excel does to put in a background. We'll eventually cover it all up, and students will only be revealing a section of the screen that we designate.